Gmail Templates by cloudHQ brings beautiful email templates right to your Gmail. I'm going to show you how to use this amazing tool. I'll start by installing the extension from the Google Chrome Web Store. Once it's installed, I'll be redirected to my Gmail window. I'll click Compose to start a new email, and then click the Insert Template button here. This opens up the free email template library, where I can choose from hundreds of professional email designs. I'll jump to the business section to look for a pre-made intake form reply for a new client contacting me about my counseling services. This counseling intake form template looks great. Let's click this button to embed it into my Gmail email and have a look. This email looks great, and it even comes with a counseling center intake form attached. So now I'll edit this email to fit my needs. I'll add my logo, edit the copy, edit my signature, add my new client's email address, and I'm done. It's that easy. Before I send it off, I can save this template so I can access it with my edits by clicking this button here. Since I'll be prompted to name my template, I'll call it Intake Form and save it in a new folder called New Clients. Now the template I've created is saved for future use in my My Templates tab, which also gives me access to this template from my phone when I'm on the go. This incredible tool frees up my time and energy, allowing me to send email templates from my computer or my phone. This helps me shift my focus from managing my business and onto helping my clients feel their best. cloudHQ, helping your productivity one click at a time.